Row Zero is a spreadsheet for big data that easily opens files too big for Excel. In this video, we'll show how to open a big CSV file in seconds. To get started, I've opened a new workbook, and I'll go to Data, where I can import from File, URL, or S3. I can import from File, and I'll select this US flights dataset. This is 11.3 million rows of data. There's one row for each flight in the US for 2024 and the first half of 2025. I have some options for how I want to import my data. I can import to an existing sheet or a new sheet, and I can import as cells or as a data table. Row Zero easily supports millions of rows on a free plan and can support billion row datasets on enterprise plans. Right now I'm on a free plan, and this is going to easily import 11 million rows into the spreadsheet. So it's finishing up. I'm going to click import, and it's going to import the data into the spreadsheet. And all of the data is here. I can control down. You'll see I'm on row 11.3 million. So all the data is here. Go back up to the top. From here, Row Zero works just like Excel and Google Sheets. So I can filter and sort. I can write Excel compatible formulas. So I'll write a quick count if. And let's look at flights that are delayed at least 10 minutes. And you can see that's super fast. Let's do a quick pivot table. So I'll insert a pivot table on a new sheet. And I'm going to look at average flight delays by month. So I'll pull date to rows, choose month as my aggregation, and I'm going to look at delay. And I have a lot of options here. I'm going to choose average. And I can easily format this and chart it. So chart. And I have a number of options to configure my chart. Made a quick line chart. And I can add a quick slicer. And this will make it easy to dynamically filter my pivot table and chart. So I'm just going to cut and paste this slicer to this sheet. And you can see I can change to, let's just say, flights out of SFO. And it's going to dynamically update my pivot table and my chart in real time. Whenever I have an updated file, I can append the file to the bottom of this, or I can overwrite the source data, and it's going to dynamically update everything in the spreadsheet. So as you can see, Row Zero makes it very easy to analyze big CSV files in a spreadsheet. You can try Row Zero for free at rowzero.io and see why Row Zero is the best spreadsheet for big data.